What's going on, everybody? Barrett here, back again with Spec of Tech. Welcome to the channel. Today I got an unboxing for you of the SVS PB2000 Pro. I'm pretty pumped for this one. Not all the subwoofers have to be big, bad, mean subwoofers like the one to my right here with the dual 18-inch driver. The PB2000 is probably one of the best-selling subwoofers worldwide, so I imagine the PB2000 Pro is going to be the same. The PB2000 is pretty much a legendary subwoofer. It's one of the more affordable offerings from SVS that still provides you a decent amount of performance with a response down to 17 Hertz. I believe this new PB2000 Pro offers you a response down to 16 Hertz. And there's a few differences in the amplifier, which we'll go over in a bit. But if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, tick the little bell icon so you can be notified when my next video drops. Alright guys, before I get into this box and we start unboxing it, I just want to thank Summit Hifi for supplying this subwoofer to me for review. Summit Hifi is an amazing store here in Canada, based in Ontario. Some of the best customer service that I've ever experienced. So make sure you check out his store in the links down below. He does have a US website as well as a Canadian website. He has some amazing amps on there as well. So thank you, Summit Hifi. Alright guys, so hopefully you're all staying safe from this crazy virus pre-apocalyptic world that we're in right now. But without further ado, let's get into this unboxing and see what the PB2000 Pro looks like and comes with. Alright, so to get the unboxing, and I apologize guys if I'm out of frame sometimes. It's hard to get everything in frame while trying to film this box on the ground, but I'll do what I can. So it looks like you just cut the top and then you flip it over. So let's start there. And the packaging on this is really solid, guys. I don't imagine there's going to be any problem with damage in shipping unless they're really rough with it. So first thing is the registration and the booklets and the power cable. We'll just toss that aside for now. And then we just flip this over. Try and keep it centered for you guys. And then I believe I just lift this up. And I'll just put that aside. Again, some sturdy cardboard packaging. Let's put the styrofoam aside. So one thing I did notice is the grill is different. The old, or the previous PB2000 came with a heavy steel grill. This one's a plastic frame with acoustically transparent material. Give you a closer look at that. Little SVS logo on the bottom. Put that aside. And then we got the subwoofer here. Probably just tip it over. Okay. Now, where does this open? On this side. Okay. That's still decently in frame. All right. So, I think I'm going to come get the camera, guys, and give you more of a close-up. Alright guys, I just wanted to bring you in a little bit closer so you can see it in a little bit more detail instead of that wide view that I have for the unboxing. So there is the 12-inch high excursion SVS driver and the two ports. This new version, or the Pro version, can now be run in sealed mode or standard mode, which is both ports open. The previous PB2000 had one port and you were not able to plug that port to run it in sealed mode. So that's a new addition to the SVS PB2000 Pro. So I'll give you a little bit of a tour around the subwoofer here. This is the black ash finish. It's got some decent texture to it. It looks very nice. And then around the back here, we have the sledge amplifier. So here's the 550 watt RMS sledge amplifier with 1500 watts peak. The previous PB2000 was 500 watts RMS and 1100 watts peak, and it did not have the Bluetooth app capabilities, which you can control from the buttons or from the Bluetooth app. I'll try and get some of the texture here. You can hear that it's got some texture when I run my fingernails on it. I wouldn't want to do that on the gloss version though. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in for this unboxing. I'm going to be doing some room measurements on the subwoofer and testing it out. SVS claims to get down to 16 Hertz with this guy, so we're going to check that out with Rue. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the Rue measurement video, as well as a final review once I've had some time to play with the subwoofer. If you guys are interested in that big boy on my right here, you can click on the videos in the top right hand corner of this video and check out some of the videos I've done on that subwoofer. So thanks for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe, tick the little bell icon so you can be notified when my Rue video drops of this subwoofer. My next video though is going to be a home theater tour. I've been getting asked quite a bit to get that video out there, so I think it's time. As soon as I conclude filming this video, I'm going to start on the home theater tour. And as always, stay techie.